students, I am Sonal Shah from Countryside International School. I am your new English educator. As you all know about the today's situation of lockdown. In this situation, online teaching method is the best way to continue the teaching and learning process. So without wasting the time, let's get started with first chapter from Honeydew, the best Christmas present in the world. Chapter number 1, The Best Christmas Present in the World by Michael Morpurgo. Students, there are few characters in the lesson. They are Michael Morpurgo, an author himself, Mrs. Jim Macpherson. She has also addressed with the Coney, the first name of her. Jim Macpherson, captain of English Army as well as the husband of Coney. Hans Wolf, captain of German Army, English soldiers, German soldiers, and at the last, matron of nursing home. This story is about a beautiful incident that took place during First World War, year 1914, between German and English. One day, author went to a junk shop in Bridport, UK, and bought a roll-top desk. The desk was in a bad condition, but the author thought he would be able to repair it. On Christmas Eve, he began working on it by removing the roll top and pulling out the drawers. Now here the story gets started with a scene that the author Michael Morpurgo went to a junk shop. Junk shop means a shop where we sell our trash. So there he found one roll top desk. Where there are few drawers also, so he was willing to have that desk. As if he purchased a new one, he had to pay more money, but now in a junk shop he will get the same at the less money. The condition of the roll top decks was not as good as, but even then he thought that whatever the thing is, I will repair it. So on Christmas Eve, now student listen very carefully, Christmas Eve is evening. Eve means evening. At the evening before the day of Christmas, means if with the date, if we can say that 25th December's evening, and he started begin working on it. He removed the roll top. It was completely demolished, so he removed it. He wants to repair it back, and he started removing the drawers also. Now when he pulled the drawers, he found a secret drawer with a small black tin box hidden inside. The box had a note taped to it. The note instructed the finder to bury it with the owner of the desk when the time came. Now children, what happened when the author pulled the drawer? He found a small tin inside the drawer, and on that box it was written that the person who will get this box, whatever inside in this box, they have to bury it with the owner of this box when the person will get die, when the owner will get die. Now, reading to that particular note on the box, the author becomes so curious. He wants to open the box and he wants to see what is there inside the box. So important that the person has kept this kind of note. When the author opened the box, he found an envelope addressed to Mrs. Jim Macpherson of 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. An enclosed letter was dated December 26, 1914. Now children, I just want to point out, see the year 1914 during the World War. Now here when the author opened the box, what he found the envelope. On the envelope, address was written that it was addressed to Mrs. Jim Macpherson of 12 Copper Beach. Of 12 Copper Beach means what? This is the address written on the envelope. Bridport, Dorset. It is a one name of the city located in the UK. The author read the letter. It was written by Jim Macpherson, a captain of English Army, to his wife Connie. In the letter, Jim narrated a beautiful incident that took place on the battlefield on Christmas Day in 1914. German army and English army were in their respective trenches. Now here, when author was having that curiosity that what is that important thing in the letter. Let's see, actually it is a very bad habit to read anyone's letter, but here the author was having the curiosity because the note, whatever the note he read on the box, so due to that curiosity he opened the letter and start reading, and he was surprised. It was the letter was written by Jim Macpherson, who was the captain of English army, and the captain has written that letter to his wife Connie. As we already discussed about the character of the story, that Jim Macpherson was a captain of English army, and Connie, Mrs. Jim Macpherson, was the wife of captain. In this letter, Jim narrated a beautiful incident that took place on the battlefield on the Christmas Day. Now, here the date was not mentioned, but you all know the Christmas Day means 25th December in 1914. Now he has narrated the complete incidents, and the incidents start with that the German army and English army both were in their respective trenches. Now what is a trenches? Trenches, actually they have prepared a place underground in their areas. Army people, soldiers have prepared the place in their areas on the borders where they can hide themselves safely. So that place is known as a trenches. Suddenly James saw someone from the German side waving a white flag. Jim even saw the German soldier coming towards the no man land. So actually they both it was on the border of German and English. They both were on a no man land. So captain of English army, that is Jim Macpherson, saw someone from the German side waving a white flag. White flag always prescribes the peace, that it is a message they want to give, that we want to talk to you in a peaceful method. So he saw that, and after that he even noticed that some German soldiers were coming towards the no man's land. No man's land means a neutral place where nobody have their own their commands on that particular place. No, not a German, not an English. So students, we will end part 1 of the chapter 1 from Honeydew, the best Christmas present in the world. I, Sonal Shah, will be back soon with the part 2 of the same chapter. By the time, goodbye.